What if your favorite trading app paid you every single time someone else used it? You don't have to trade, stake, or wait. You literally just have to hold the token and get paid. Please keep in mind, that's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to none other than what is known as BlockchainFX. We're talking about the first crypto trading super app. And if you guys would like to be short, you can simply call this BFX. If you guys do not know, there is a token, as mentioned, BFX. And this is the utility token of a BlockchainFX. We're talking about the first true crypto super app. All right. So kind of think of it like this way, like Binance meets Robinhood with a little bit of a twist. One platform where you can actually trade crypto, stocks, ETFs, options, and bonds, and a lot more. Okay. So you guys, they do have a real product. And if we actually take a look here, you guys can see exactly what this looks like. Okay. Actually looks pretty cool in my opinion here. Okay. I need you guys to understand that. All right. A lot of things happening here. But more important, you guys, as mentioned, there's a lot of different things. We got options. We got those Forex. We got the stockies. We got crypto, commodities, ETFs, indices, and more. All right. So you guys, the platform, it is already live. They got over, I think, like what, 10,000 plus daily users. So we're talking about millions in daily trading volume with a working platform that's generating real revenue right now. You guys can see how cool this looks, right? I have to admit, I really do like this. Very intuitive. All right. And there's a lot of different things you can actually do here, as you guys can see, right? Very easy and simple. Okay. You can actually see right here, we got Amazon. Okay. So that's pretty cool. All right. Looks like we got what is that, a purchase or a sell there, or currently we're in a trade, right? So, which is actually really awesome. But I want you guys to understand here. Okay. If you get their token, BFX, very important details. You hold BFX, you can actually earn passive income in USDT, guys. There's no need to stake or trade. All right. You can get up to 70% of daily trading fees. Okay. So technically, let me put it this way. The 70% daily trading fees, they are actually redistributed to BFX holders. So obviously, you're going to be able to get a portion of that. Okay. Okay. You're not going to get all 70% yourself. Okay. Not only that, you guys, but some top holders, I mean, guys, they're earning up to like $25,000 per day. That's incredible. All right. So they have this massive pre-sale, as you guys can see right here, right? This is literally like top of the website. You can scroll through this whole thing and you guys can see exactly how everything works. But I want you guys to understand, I mean, for this pre-sale, listen, you're going to be able to get exclusive perks during the pre-sale, right? So bonus tokens, I'll talk about that here in a few moments. We got NFTs, okay? And then they even have what is known as the BFX Visa card, right? This is actually for global spending. So once the pre-sale ends, you guys, I mean, these benefits are technically gone forever, all right? So you can see right here, we got the audits, which are good. We got Pioneering Crypto Exchange. We got the FX demo. We got right here daily staking rewards. So looky there, you guys. So you can earn a lot, as mentioned. So how it works, they kind of go through the whole thing here, the whole little spiel. Scrolling down, we got right here USDT daily buybacks, right? Burn BFX coins. We got that card, as we briefly mentioned, right? Then we even got the NFTs, which actually help you get more rewards. So typically, if you get one of these, you guys, it's going to help you amp your pre-sale rewards. And like I said, I'll give you a code here in just a few moments, okay? But you got to pay attention, all right? So once again, you guys, they've raised over 5+ million, okay, in the ongoing pre-sale. So there's definitely some strong demand here. As mentioned, audited, right? So we got Certic CoinSalts, and we have Solid Proof. Obviously, this is great for more transparency and for more security. And the trading platform demo, you guys, technically, I mean, you guys, available, all right, via the test account, right? So basically, you want to see the link in the description. All right. So big opportunity here, you guys. I don't want you guys to miss out on BlockchainFX. They are changing the game. If you'd like to purchase, just connect your wallet right here, right? MetaMask. We can do that pretty easy and simple. Boom. Make sure that you have some funds, a lot of different cryptos that you can use here. And you guys can clearly see that. A lot of different ones that you can use here for this overall platform. Okay. So go check it out. Dive down into the links as mentioned. And do not miss out on this. This is going to be incredible. They're changing the game. Alrighty. So ladies and gentlemen, I really would like you guys to visit the link down below. You'll see it right there, BlockchainFX.com. So check it out now. Use code YT30 for 30% more BFX coins before the price jumps up again like it literally just did. So this is your chance to earn daily rewards for literally just holding you guys. So check out those links in the description. Make sure that you leave a comment. Smash up that like button. Smash up the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video.